for giving me the opportunity to participate in the discussion of two important bills on Jammu and Kashmir, that is Jammu and Kashmir Reservation Amendment Bill 2023 and Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Amendment Bill 2023. I would like to thank to the Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Home Minister to bring this important bill which provides the rights of the depressed classes of Jammu and Kashmir. I also welcome the today's verdict of Honorable Supreme Court of India, which regarding the aggravating of the Article 370 and 35A, which further endorsed the decision of this Parliament and the Government of India. Sir, the Jammu and Kashmir Reservation Amendment Bill 2023 was introduced in Lok Sabha on July 26, 2023 and passed on December 6, 2023. It amends the Jammu and Kashmir Reservation Act 2004. The Act provides for reservation in jobs and admission in professional institutions to members of scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and other socially and educationally backward classes. Under the Act, socially and educationally backward classes include people residing in villages declared as socially and educationally backward by the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, people residing in areas adjoining the actual line of control and international border. This Act also provides the weak and underprivileged classes, social castes, as notified. The government may make inclusion or exclusion from category of weak and underprivileged classes on the recommendation of a commission. The bill substitutes weak and underprivileged classes with other backward classes as declared by the UT of Jammu and Kashmir. The definition of weak and underprivileged classes is deleted from the Act. Sir, the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Amendment Bill 2023 aims to add new sections 15A and 15B to the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019. These amendments empower the Lieutenant Governor of the Union Territory to nominate not more than 2 members, one of whom shall be a woman from the community of Kashmiri migrants, and 1 member from displaced person from Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir to the Jammu and Kashmir Legislative Assembly. The Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Amendment Bill 2023 also proposes amendments in subsection 3 and 10 of section 14 of the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act of 2019. These changes aim to extend reservation benefit to the scheduled tribe community in the Legislative Assembly of Jammu and Kashmir. Additionally, the bill seeks to expand the total composition of the Assembly from 107 to 114 members. The inclusion of representatives from displaced and migrated communities that undermine the essence of the elected government, a practice observed in several union territories and some states. In this context, the BJP government has expanded the total seats from 107 to 114, encompassing 90 for the general category, 7 for scheduled caste, 9 for scheduled tribes, and 3 designated for nominated members. This breakdown underscores the commitment to fair representation, ensuring that no community faces unjust treatment. It reflects a balanced approach, providing adequate representation for all communities, including minority groups such as Hindus and Sikhs. With these words, I support these two bills and also urge all the honourable members to support and to pass these bills. Thank you very much.